हेलो स्टूडेंट्स। आज मैं इस वीडियो में एक्टिव पैसिव बताने जा रहा हूँ। एक्टिव पैसिव पे मैं पहले भी वीडियो बना चुका हूँ, जिसका लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में दे रखा है मैंने, आप देख सकते हैं। तो लेट अस स्टार्ट द चैप्टर एक्टिव पैसिव वॉइस। स्पेशल वर्ब्स यूज्ड इन पैसिव वॉइस विद डिफरेंट प्रीपोजिशंस in place of by. So in this chapter active passive voice, I am going to describe some of the verbs which are used in passive voice with different prepositions in place of by. आप जानते हैं कि पैसिव वॉइस जब भी बनाते हैं तो प्रीपोजिशन बाई का यूज़ करते हैं, बाई प्लस एजेंट, यानी वॉइस का जो स्ट्रक्चर होता है सब्जेक्ट प्लस एक्सिलरी वर्ब प्लस V3 प्लस बाई प्लस ऑब्जेक्ट। इसको मैं पहले भी डिस्कस कर चुका हूँ जब मैं टेंस का पैसिव वॉइस बता रहा था, उस वीडियो में ऑलरेडी डिस्कस कर चुका हूँ। द पैसिव वॉइस स्ट्रक्चर इज सब्जेक्ट प्लस एक्सिलरी वर्ब प्लस V3 प्लस बाई प्लस ऑब्जेक्ट। क्योंकि पैसिव जब भी बनाते हैं तो उसमें हम लोग बेसिकली बाई प्रीपोजिशन का यूज़ करते हैं, लेकिन दीज आर द स्पेशल वर्ब्स। ये जो वर्ब्स हैं इनके बाद हम लोग बाई का यूज़ न करके अलग अलग तरह के प्रीपोजिशन, कुछ और प्रीपोजिशंस का यूज़ करते हैं। सो दिस वर्ब्स आर इन द एक्टिव फॉर्म सच एज नो, मैरी, प्लीज़, डिसप्लीज़, सरप्राइज, कंटेन, interest, satisfy, dissatisfy. So all these verbs are in the active form, active voice. But when we change these verbs in passive voice, we know that we always use the third form of the verb, that is past participle form of the verb. जैसे no को known में change कर देंगे, marry will be changed into married, okay? And instead of, in the place of preposition by, we will use to, known to। marry में married to, please में pleased with or at, displeased में displeased with or at, surprise में surprised at, contain will change into contained in, interest will change into interested in, satisfy satisfied with। तो हम देख रहे हैं कि अलग अलग तरह के प्रीपोजिशंस का यूज़ कर रहे हैं, किसी भी वर्ब्स के साथ बाई का यूज़ नहीं हुआ है। सिमिलरली डिससेटिस्फाई विल चेंज इनटू डिससेटिस्फाइड विथ, एस्टोनिश विल चेंज इनटू एस्टोनिश्ड एट, ग्रो ओवर विल चेंज इनटू ओवरग्रोन विथ, एनवाय विल चेंज इनटू एनवायड विथ एंड एट। सिमिलरली अमेज will be written as amazed at, shock will be written as shocked at, and make will be written as made of or made by. Vex, vexed at or vexed by. Alarm, alarmed at or alarmed. Disappoint, disappointed at. तो ये सारे जो वर्ब्स हैं ये पैसिव वॉइस में यूज़ होंगे, और इसके साथ हम लोग बाई का यूज़ न करके किसी और प्रीपोजिशन का यूज़ करेंगे। जैसा कि आप देख चुके हैं टू का यूज़ हुआ है, इसमें विथ और एट का यूज़ हुआ है, कहीं पे इन का यूज़ हुआ है। सो डिफरेंट प्रीपोजिशंस आर यूज्ड इन प्लेस ऑफ प्रीपोजिशन बाई। सो लेट अस अंडरस्टैंड दिस वॉइस बाय एग्जाम्पल। So example number 1, in active voice she knows everyone. She is the subject, known is the verb, and everyone is the object. Now in passive voice everyone will be written as the subject, everyone is known to her. अब हम इसको known by her नहीं करके known to her लिखेंगे और बोलेंगे। So the correct passive voice of she knows everyone is everyone is known to her. Next example is Lord Rama married Sita. This is an active voice. Active voice, its passive voice will be Sita was married to Lord Rama. Actually this is an example of simple past tense So Sita was married to Lord Rama. We cannot say or write Sita was married by Lord Rama. I hope you all understand what I mean to say. So let's understand all the passive voice with the help of examples. Do it yourself. Fill in the blanks with a suitable word from the bracket. Question number 1. Her sweet smile pleases everyone. Its answer is in passive voice. In passive voice, everyone pleased her sweet smile. You have to choose from this bracket. The correct option is at, is with, or by. So the correct answer will be is at. Everyone is pleased at her sweet smile. Question number 2. His rude behavior has displeased us. When we change this into passive voice, the correct answer, we have been displeased his rude behavior. Which is the correct option? The correct option is with. We have been displeased with her rude behavior. My outstanding performance surprised them. My outstanding performance, this is the subject, surprised is verb, and them is object. Now in passive voice, they were surprised, blank space, my outstanding performance. What is the correct answer? The correct preposition will be at. They were surprised at my outstanding performance. Number 4. This container contains 250 ml milk. In passive voice, the correct answer will be 250 ml milk is contained blank space this container. Options are by, in and into. So the correct answer is in, contained in. 250 ml milk is contained in this container. This story interests children. Passive voice. In short, I write BB. Children are interested this story. The correct answer is in, not by, not into. Number 6. The new teacher satisfied all students. The passive voice is all students were satisfied with the new teacher. Your poor performance had dissatisfied us. The correct answer in passive voice is we have been dissatisfied. Blank space your poor performance. Dissatisfied at your poor performance. Now look at question number 8. His magic astonished spectators. His magic is the subject, astonished is verb, spectators are the object. The correct passive, spectators were astonished, blank space his magic, with, at, from, by. Which is the correct option? The correct option is at. So the at is the correct answer. Number 9. The grass has grown over the entire field. Passive voice. The entire field has been overgrown, blank space the grass. The correct answer is with. So I put here with. This is the correct answer. And now number 10. Now last question I am going to explain. You and Y's, we are and wired, blank space you. From you, no. At you, no. The correct answer is with. With you. So dear students, you can look at these questions, all the blank spaces, and after reading all the questions, you can fill it yourself and gain knowledge in passive voice. I hope so that you all have liked the video. So please press the like button and subscribe the channel Similarly, in next video, I will be bringing some more interesting chapters. Thank you. Have a good day.